Hello friends of Friendly, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For a long time, I was asking my dad to take me to Qissa Khwani Bazaar because I had heard so many stories about it, stories of history, culture, food and life. So today, that wish finally came true. The moment I entered this area, my first impression was just wow. Look, this place is not just a market, it feels like history is alive here. Qissa Khwani Bazaar is also known as the Bazaar of Storytellers. Long ago, travelers, traders, and caravans used to stop here. They shared stories, news, and experiences. That's why this place got its name. Even today, when you walk here, you feel that old charm mixed with modern life. As I walk through Qissa Khwani Bazaar, I can see wonderful shops on both sides. There are small traditional shops and modern ones too, a beautiful mix. You will find traditional clothing shops, shoe stores, old book stalls, watch shops, perfume and attar shops. Move. Every shop has its own story. Here you can find traditional fast food shops, street snacks, chaat and samosas, fries and burgers, famous local dishes. The smell of food alone can make you hungry. You feel tired while walking, and don't worry, there are fresh juice shops everywhere. You can find sugarcane juice, orange juice, pomegranate juice, milkshakes. Satisfied. Watching vendors prepare fresh juice right in front of you is really satisfying. One thing I really love here is the energy of the people. Shopkeepers calling customers, buyers negotiating prices, friends laughing, tourists recording videos, everything feels so alive. The vendors are hardworking and friendly, and if you talk politely, they treat you with respect. Old buildings around me. The balconies, windows, and walls tell stories of another era. Appreciative, some buildings look worn out, but that's what makes them beautiful. They show real history, not artificial beauty. entering the mobile market of Qissa Khwani Bazaar. This market is huge and you can easily spend 30 minutes or more just walking here. Mobile shops, new and used phones. Here you can find brand new mobile phones, used and refurbished phones, all models, old and latest Android and iPhones, from budget phones to expensive models, everything is available. One important thing, prices are negotiable here. You must bargain politely to get the best deal. Many shops also offer mobile accessories, covers and protectors, chargers and earphones, repair services satisfied. It's like a one-stop mobile solution. The mobile market is always busy. You can see students, shopkeepers, tourists, and families all together. The atmosphere is energetic, noisy, and exciting, typical bazaar life. Qissa Khwani Bazaar is special because it connects past and present. It shows real Peshawar culture, satisfied. It offers food, shopping, and history in one place. As my walking tour comes to an end, I can say one thing, Qissa Khwani Bazaar is not just a place to shop, it's a place to feel. If you ever visit Peshawar, don't miss this bazaar. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this walking tour, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing vlogs. Optimistic, see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.